This is another great slow cooker chicken dinner. I'm Tess, and today I'm making French onion chicken in my crock pot. It's real easy, and it has all the flavors and comfort of French onion soup. Stay tuned. You are going to really enjoy this slow cooker chicken dinner. There are only a few ingredients, and it's real simple. You can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts. I cleaned and trimmed most of the fat, and now I'm seasoning each side with a little salt, white or black pepper, and a little sprinkle of thyme. I'm using 2 medium-sized Spanish onions, or you can use 1 large. You want a good amount of onions because that's what this dish is all about. I thinly sliced the onions and then cut them in half. You can cut them any way that you like. Adding in a couple sliced garlic cloves, 1 3/4 cups of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar for a little tang, and it balances out the sweetness of the onions. And finally, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 1/4 cup of water. This will help thicken the sauce a little while cooking, giving that a gentle toss to combine. Seasoning with more white pepper and thyme, and then placing the chicken thighs on top of the onions. And that's it for now. Cooking on high for 3 hours or 5 to 6 hours on the low setting. The chicken should be fall-apart tender and the onions nice and tender. It's been 3 hours and the chicken is done and smelling really good. Gruyere cheese is used for classic French onion soup. I don't have any, so I'm using the next best thing, and that is some grated Swiss cheese and a little mozzarella cheese. And keeping with the French onion soup theme, I'm adding some croutons on top, placing the lid back on the crock pot and letting that cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. This is such an easy crock pot chicken dinner and oh so good. All the flavors and comfort of French onion soup. The Spanish onions are sweet, flavorful, and tender. The cornstarch helps produce a nice sauce that you can spoon over rice, potatoes, or noodles. The chicken is fall-apart tender and topped with that wonderful gooey cheese. I love the idea of throwing everything in the crock pot and walking away and having it ready when I get back. It definitely makes my life easier and less stressful. I hope you give this easy and delicious slow cooker French onion chicken dinner a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.